Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this look right here, which is perfect for New Year's. When I think of a New Year's look, this is what I think of. And in today's video, it's a little bit different. I normally film with natural light and during the day, but right now it is nighttime and I have a ring light on. So just let me know how you like the lighting, because it will be kind of useful to be able to film at night now, especially because the sun goes down at like 5. So I have like less time in the day to film. So it'd be really good if you guys like the ring light. Also, I did want to mention I'm not talking in this video because my family is currently asleep and I need to not talk the entire night through. And I will mention I'm leaving on a trip tomorrow, or Monday. So I don't even know when this video is going up. Honestly, it's been extremely hectic and I've been going through stuff in my personal life, plus the holidays, plus a lot of stuff, and I'm so sorry because normally I am very consistent with my posting, that I post 3 times a week, but I haven't been recently and I feel absolutely horrible and I really do miss it, but I have been very busy and overwhelmed. So yeah. So I just want to say sorry for that, and hopefully in this new year I will be getting things back together, my life back together. Hopefully, I pray. Hopefully things calm down. But yeah, I will be going on a trip, so I might be doing like a vlog of that trip. I don't even know, because I've had 2 New Year's looks to put out for you guys, but I don't think I have time to film both of them before I leave. So that might not happen. So I don't know when the next videos that you're gonna see, because I will be out of town. So I'm gonna just do my best, but just bear with me this next couple weeks. I'm so sorry, this intro is super duper long, but if you want to learn how I got this, then please keep watching. Alrighty guys, so this is the completed look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of short and maybe a little hectic, you know? Honestly, I didn't really know what I was doing when I got into this look. So I'm sorry for any weirdness, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Also, I wanted to say thank you guys so much, and I hope you all had a beautiful holiday season, and I hope you have a beautiful and happy new year. In case I don't get a video up, happy new year. I love you all. I'll see you in the next video.